We're headed out this morning to go install an auto steer system in a 7320. This customer lives about 3 hours from the house, so we're leaving pretty early this morning. It's right at 4 o'clock. So let's head on down there to his place. We're gonna stop on the way and drop some parts off for another customer. Got a bunch of oil and some filters and some parts for a swather that we're dropping off at this customer's place since we're driving pretty close to it anyway. So we've got down here to the 7320 that we're installing the auto steer kit in. This is a pretty decked out 7320 for its age. It's got an IVT transmission, electronic SCVs. Since it's a IVT, it's got the armrest there. Got a loader on it. Pretty low hours. We're going to be installing an ATU. We got a 3000 receiver and a 2630 display here. Got all our extra brackets and Ag Express wiring harness. Customers on all his other tractors all got 2630s and 3000s, so he wanted to keep it the same. That way he's used to everything. So we'll see if we can get it installed for him. We also have to install a new steering cylinder, or the steering wheel column cylinder there while we're taking this apart. Tractor has 3,300 hours on it roughly. Electronic joystick for the loader. Pretty nice tractor. So I went to mount my receiver bracket here, up in here, but there wasn't any, it was just blanks right there. So I had to use my rib nut gun to put some rib nuts in there so I can actually bolt this bracket to the deal there. It didn't come with any. I thought the kit for this normally comes with the pieces that you drive in there. But this kit for some reason didn't. It didn't have no bolts either. Luckily I had that kit so I could put that on there. You have to trim a little bit of the edge of the liner roof here so that thing can set there where it doesn't, where it actually fit between the bracket here. So we've got the ATU 300 mounted. We've got our 2630 mounted on here. Got some of the wiring just kind of in here. I need to start stuffing it away, getting it all cleaned up. Got the receiver mounted. Just need to tie up the harness there. Had to take the top of the roof off so I could get access. So we're on the home stretch now. Just got to tidy up some wiring. Got the ATU system all put in. Everything seems to be working good. We got everything calibrated. TCM calibration, ATU calibration. Seems to be running really straight. Another happy customer. Got the wires hid up pretty good. They go up and down, kind of go underneath the floor mat there. Come back in this back corner. Everything's stashed down in the back corner there. Not much room inside the console here to actually put the wires. Got the auto steer system installed on the 7320. Everything worked good there. Customer also wanted me to look at his JCB skid steer he bought. He was having some issues with the electrical going to the 6-way blade that he has on there. Couldn't figure anything out on it. I didn't have a wiring diagram, but wasn't getting any power at all. And all of a sudden it started working and hasn't quit since. So he's gonna keep using it. And I guess if it does screw up again, he's gonna call his dealer on that to get it fixed. So now we're headed home. We got a 3-hour drive back home, so we'll call it a day then.